They've got boats in the water, ramps on the ground, and vehicles standing by. It's the 362nd Multi-Row Bridge Company.
We're good, come on.
And they're ready to construct their stuff.
Today, what we're doing is a demonstration for what an actual MRBC's role in a full closure for a combined arms gap crossing. Going through all the steps, the engineer regulating point, the call forward area, all the different and various steps that go into an actual deliberate division level crossing.
As one of only 5 companies in the Army with this capability, post commanders had the opportunity to see these engineers in action and how they support a 160-meter gap crossing.
It's important because anywhere we go as an Army, there's always going to be a gap to cross, whether it's a dry gap or whether it's a wet gap, but we're always going to have to cross a gap.
The 362nd MRBC launched and connected over 20 individual pieces of bridge to demonstrate what it would take for a division-level crossing, a feat that requires reconnaissance, teamwork, muscle, and communication.
We'll launch all the boats into the water, and once all the boats are in the water, then we'll start launching bridge pieces. The boats will catch the bridge pieces and they'll connect them together.
With the bridge in place, safety checks were made to ensure every latch is thrown and every pin is in place.
I take this bar, this 60 bar we call it, and I'm feeling for the pin. So we got 2 clasps down here and the pin sticks out slightly and we can feel it. And that's what's holding the 2 bays together. That is the main force that's holding these 2 bays together, through current and through all the weight of the vehicles that are crossing.
These bridges are an integral part of troop movement, getting troops and supplies where they need to be.
The adrenaline's rushing, but at the end of the day, we focus on the mission and why we do what we do. Because there's soldiers that need to get to the other side, whether it's to help other soldiers or get supplies to other soldiers, or to be the initial striking force.
And at the end of the day, soldiers of the 362nd MRBC wouldn't have it any other way.
It's fantastic. It's definitely something that you can wake up in the morning and just love your job, because it's not the same every day.
And never a dull moment. Melissa Bell, Fort Benning TV.